How we doing, Shagger? How you doing, well, bud? So this is going to be the new way of checking in. So what I'll do is I'm here and I'm talking through my headphones. I've just done a check-in with someone for 12 minutes and my microphone wasn't working. So I'm a little bit happy about that. I've sent through the notes as well, which I've just literally sent through then. What I want to do is I want to go through your check-in. So this is check-in number 4. Solid month, my brother. Just remember that payment needs to come through before I forget every month. So you either set up a direct debit or something like that. I know you'd be more than happy to continue. We've got work to do. You're looking great. Probably this is the best you've looked again. You are leaner. You are lighter. So no wonder you look better. I'm really, really happy with that. I mean, the pictures, I have to scroll up as we were being silly earlier. But I mean, in the pictures, the ones that you took in the gym, I think it must, fuck's sake. The post-workout pump here is just, like, look at that. Jeez! Like, look at that. Shoulders and arms and the abs. Like, back is good, but this is a good picture here. That's good as well. Shoulders and arms are really coming through, bud. I'm happy with taking post-workout pump pictures, but also we need the normal ones like this as well. You can see that you're a little bit flatter here, which is obviously normal considering you haven't been training. It's not deciding to load. But obviously going forwards here, a little bit of alcohol on Sunday, which is fine, which I've made note of somewhere. Your checklist should be, bear with me, your checklist is going to be here. Jesus Christ. Bear with me, dude. I'm quite relatively new to this. Right, here we go, checklist. Download it again, shall we? So, we're going to open this up. I'm going to have a little look through. So going forwards from your week, I did see that you have lost weight throughout the week here. You had a little bit of a takeaway on Wednesday, didn't really shit, no wonder you felt a little bit lethargic. When digestive system is down, you will start to feel lethargic, bud. This really helps water. Energy levels on Thursday were pretty crap. Apart from that, really, really good. You've got ability to focus Sunday. So Sunday would have been from last week. Oh yeah, you got pissed, which is fine. A few drinks is fine as long as you're going to go into the next day into the gym and train some muscles. Like if you want guns, you got to go to the gun show, right? If you want to fire some guns, you got to put your hand over the trigger and bust that gun. So if you haven't heard anything more motivational and better than that for this whole entire monthly process, the only few months more are going to get way more inspiring, dude. But it's good to see that you haven't been very hungry either, which even though you're technically still dieting because you're losing weight, which is great. No wonder you look so good, like it's crazy. So this is why I've added 50 grams of carbs. So as you see here, down to the notes, still loving them pictures, bud. Not nice what you're saying about Gollum, however, with me. But yeah, so we're going to add 50 grams of carbs to daily intake, please. But add it around training, pre or post workout, whatever one you prefer the most. Turn this off. Whatever one you prefer the most, bud, you can choose. Okay. So for example, on your diet, you can have, so for example, 100 grams of oats to now. You can. Oh, I've just pressed enter by accident. So now, for example, 150 grams of oats, and then post workout might be 250 grams rice. You could change that to, for example, 300 grams of rice now. Okay, that would usually equivalent the amount of carbohydrates needed. If not, then search up on MyFitnessPal and do it yourself, which is what I kind of want you guys to do. I want you guys to be educated on your own nutrition because some rice is not as calorific as others. So it's always very good to get that understanding yourself, bud. I love that you're top shagger as well. It's very good for the mind, body, and soul to get some hotties and totties around. And I hope, why aren't they in the check-in, bud? Like, why aren't these women in the check-in as well? Like, I need to see this shit. I need to see how that cardio is going. I'm joking, I don't really, but if you want to, you can. I'm joking. But a little bit about alcohol, like I said, on Sunday is good as long as you get back on it and train. BJJ for cardio is fine, not like just solely blowjobs, but Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is very good for cardio as well. It'll probably mean more calories, which is obviously good because it means more fuel, more protein, more carbs, more fats, which overly means your body will respond better to your training. And dude, you looked on cloud nine. Honestly, you look so buzzing about BJJ. And I was like, when I watched it, I was like, this guy's like feeling this, man. I was like, great, this is what I want, man. This is really what I want. So keep doing that, bud. Keep doing that. Keep the weights in as well. Wednesday, you said you felt like crap, completely normal, no worries. So we've got here, is this yours? Yeah, this is yours, sorry. Neat, look at your steps, is way up. So I'm going to add 50 grams of cardio again. You're probably going to need another 50 grams of carbs for the next 4 weeks. You'll probably be on 400 or 500 grams of carbs, Alex, and you probably will just about put on a pound a week. And then depending on what happens with you and your calories and stuff like that, we'll go from there, because it would take you a long while now to get out of shape. So I was saying to somebody the other day, why did you get Alex to diet? He was quite lean. And I was like, have you seen Alex now? And they're like, no. And I'm like, have a look. And they're like, fucking hell. So like, it will now take you like 16 weeks to accumulate the same amount of body fat you had, which took you 3 weeks to get rid of. And imagine how much muscle you're going to grow over that period of time as well. So then the next time we diet, dude, it will be another 3-week, 4-week diet, unless you wanted to get absolutely shreds. You're pretty fucking shreds anyway. Like, well, I mean, if you wanted to get mega shreds, you're fucking beach body lean. Why do you want to get shreds for anyway? You're beach body lean. You're looking like you could shag half of Essex, because the other guys are probably guys. So you're shagging most of the women in Essex, which is great. I'm happy with how your progress has gone this week. Changes made is just add 50 grams of carbs. BJJ is fine. Weights you want to keep to 4 to 5 times a week. So make sure you keep that in. Let me know on that, please, the amount you can do. This is really positive stuff, bud. Same again, if we drop weight again, we'll be increasing more carbs. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I'll chat to you soon.